Hi guys, my name is Abdul Musa. I am a sophomore in college. I go to the University of Delaware and I want to start a health foundation. So I know that sounds like really broad and like very like health foundation. What are you talking about, kid? You're 19 years old and you probably don't know what you're talking about and everything like that, but let me explain. I've been working with the program here at the University of Delaware called Horn Entrepreneurship, the Venture Development Center, and these people have been great to me. I'm from the nation of Sierra Leone. I was born here in Virginia, Fairfax, Virginia, for all of you that want to know. But I originate from Sierra Leone. All of my customs, all of my backgrounds, both of my parents, they are from Sierra Leone. So we're not free time, blah. And honestly, I've always been intrigued by my culture, even though I wasn't born from the nation, even though I've never stepped foot. Hopefully I'll be going in 2020. God's blessing, I want to go so bad. But I just have this connection to this land that I care about so deeply. And it's going to push these students to understanding different healthcare procedures such as CPR, such as first aid response, phlebotomy, all these different things. And honestly, it's not something that I've done yet, but I'm ready for this journey. I'm ready for the process, and I'm going to document it. So hopefully over the next year, over the next 2, over the next 10, I'm able to go far. So who's going to support you in this journey of being able to have a dream of starting up a healthcare foundation? Abdul, who's going to push you every day? Who's going to guide you? For me, I rely heavily on people that are around me. I rely on my faith. I rely on myself as well. I rely on my energy. I try my best to be a very upbeat person, and I'm hoping that being able to push myself to do something of such great magnitude, because you have your ideas, you know what you want to do. It's about being able to push it and actually do it. So I'm really hoping that I can I'm really hoping that I'm able to take this far. This Musa Health Foundation, I hope that I can push it. I can push it and I don't give up. I hope that I continue to go through my wildest dreams, and hopefully with time, effort, everything will pay off. So I'm going to talk to you about an event that I just did. It was a pitch party. I did it last year, and I'm going to put up a clip of me doing it. When I did it last year, it was my first time. I've done nothing with entrepreneurship. I learned the word venture the week before, and now I'm pushing out a healthcare venture of my own. I'm trying my best to establish that. But during that event, during the pitch for the first time, I did all right. Honestly, speaking to a crowd has never really been a bad issue for me. I'm fairly confident in being able to speak to people. Speaking to a crowd has never really been an issue for me. I'm fairly confident in speaking to large groups. It's just some people have it, some people don't. And I'm not saying I'm the best, but I'm saying that I'm fairly confident in my abilities to talk to a crowd. I went through and I did it this year, and this year I had a lot more expectations on my shoulders. I have a lot of people I was trying to make proud, and honestly, the results I'm very proud of. I was able to go there. I didn't place. Last year I placed. I got top 5. It was my first ever pitch. This year I went there, and I'm gonna put up a clip of me, but I was speaking, and then I froze. And when I froze, I was ill. Oh my goodness, I was sick. I was standing there. It was me and God. I don't know. It was one of the more embarrassing moments of my life. But honestly, I learned so much from that moment. Just understanding that in life, you have to push on. There is no such thing as being someone that's going to just stop. You should never stop. Resiliency is key, and that's what I've learned through last year up until now. Honestly, I started this thing in 2018, December. It's now October of 2019, and I couldn't be more proud of myself. I've made a lot of connections. I'm speaking to a lot of different people, and I'm not where I want to be. I'm not, but I know that with time, I will be able to push myself towards reaching any goal that I have, And with Musa Health Foundation, I have a lot of goals, and I know I'll be able to achieve them. So to wrap up, some of my plans for the future, I want to do more pitch competitions. I'm gonna put the video up of me doing the pitch, but I'm gonna do more pitch competitions because I think it's very important for me to put myself in situations where I'm uncomfortable. And I have more goals for MusaHealth Foundation to expand the team, find other like-minded individuals that want to invest into this process. Any individual that may feel like, hey, I'm from Sierra Leone, or hey, I'm not from Sierra Leone, but I think this is a good idea. Anyone, honestly, just reaching out and just being able to grow the team. Not only grow the team, but just grow my mindset as a whole. This project is not for me to benefit. It's for me to understand life in a bigger capacity, and I'm really hoping that I can do that and achieve that within the next few years and even years to come. Honestly, who knows how big MusaHealth Foundation will grow, but my goal is to never stop, to never quit, to keep pushing. Just to wrap this up, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. Honestly, this is going to be the first of many, and I'm hoping that there's good reception to this. I plan on putting out a lot of content involving Sierra Leone Health, involving updates with Musa Health Foundation, and just, anything that I can put out, I'm really hoping that this goes far, so please, your feedback, go to the comments, subscribe. Hey, look at me. Subscribe. Please subscribe, honestly. Subscribe and just give me constant feedback. If you're from Sierra Leone, you see, I'm trying to do something for you, so please, I'm begging you, share this to someone, and let's make this a movement, okay? So, Musa Health Foundation, let me go.